All right, I'm doing this anyway. I don't know if it's freezing. Some people says it's freezing. This is the fourth try. Let you know what's going on today. We have the text me guys if this is working because I cannot see anything. But today at 2 o'clock, which is an hour and 15 minutes, we got the public presentation by Red Redford and Q&A. Hopefully this works and you guys will get that. But that link is below this video or the last 45 videos I tried to do. Facebook is not liking me today. It's saying that my live video is trying to start. So I'm going to see if anyone hears the comments. And I got no comments. I'm just going to do it. Maybe I'll get lucky. Bill, I'm froze again, eh? Wow. Patty, so you can hear me, Patty? All right, Patty, am I freezing it all? 100%. Okay, I'm going to go with it then. All right, hey. Captain Chris Johnson here. Patty says I'm good. Most people are saying I'm froze, but that's okay. I'm both. Let's go get into this Onpassive Oktoberfest, which is amazing. Going to be completely amazing this month. You all seen who popped on yesterday, but let me tell you what's going on again. 2 o'clock is a public get in this webinar presentation with Red Redford. That link's below this. You have the 8 o'clock. I think there's a 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, and that is Hungry. I think that's today. I got to check. Angie will let me know. 8 o'clock, we got the Caribbean. And Admiring Dr. Derek will be doing a new song at the end, which is going to be kind of fun. If you all watched yesterday, Ash Mafara popped on to the round table. And yeah, I know, my computer's making all kind of voices and sounds and everything like that. And what did he have to say, boy? He said a lot of great things. But I do want to start by saying, oh, no, let's see. You're not on my end, mate, working, no bother. Thanks, Patty. But he came on there and had quite a few things to say. But I do want to make this announcement, guys. That was a private meeting. Many of you, there's a few countries out there that are sharing this stuff. You should not be sharing this. I'm not sure why you can't follow the rules, but please follow the rules. If you posted something from that meeting yesterday, please take it down. Please. That is confidential. You all know that. And I'm still getting 500 texts. Let's see. I think I'm just going to give up on it. But Ash made some wonderful comments yesterday. He talked a little bit about the competition. We don't have no competition. That's the truth. We're not competing against anybody. The truth is because no one's going to be able to compete with us. You see what happened to the Facebook that's messing with me right now? They were down for 5.5 hours. Cost them billions of dollars, $6 billion. And they should be worried. The CEO of this company, of Onpassive, 6 months ago, he told us this was going to happen before it even came out. He warned us this was going to happen. So what do? Boom. Something to do with, people were saying that Facebook is not a safe platform. A lot of bad things are happening off this platform, Facebook. And I keep trying to tell you guys that Onpassive is coming. And we're going to take it over. And I can't see anyone's comments on here, so I'll get you after the live if it's not even working. So, but you guys need to get in this. I'm telling you right now, I've been trying to tell you. If Facebook goes down, where are you going to go? There's no other place. When we come out, you're all going to jump on here. The safest platform in the world. All right? We never, ever sell your information like they did. That's part of their corruption. I told you before, we're the correction to the corruption. Okay? That's the honest to God truth, folks. You're going to get in as a $97 position, founding position, which puts you in the pay structure. I have a $5.5 billion company, trillion-dollar industry, and guess what? We have everything for everybody. We have every possible tool, every product with AI in a heart. That's what I'm trying to tell you. And people are texting me. Hey, Pete, I don't even know if this is working, but I'm going to cut it short. Make sure you get to these meetings today. Make sure you get into Onpassive. And, now it says I'm live. Man, Pete, can you see me now? I'm going nuts here today. Yeah, it's going back. All right, I'm just going to end this. Happy birthday if you got a birthday. Check this out, guys. I promise you, you won't regret it. Learn from what happened in Facebook yesterday. Onpassive's coming. It's gonna be the earthquake, which already started. You will see Onpassive everywhere. Okay, Bill Musk says it's working, but I don't get any comments. Hope I'm not freezing up. Anyway, that's it. Get in this. Learn from yesterday, folks. The corruption went down. The correction is coming. It's called Onpassive. Don't miss out on this lifetime opportunity. Just check it out. We're asking you to just check it out and share it. That's all you really got to do. You have to do nothing else. And you're going to earn residual income from the entire world. All right, I got to go because I think this live is not even working. I don't even know how to shut it off, but I love you all. We'll see you later. Bye.